Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and use clipboard history in Windows 10. Clipboard history first appeared in Windows 10's October 2018 update version. Currently, clipboard history supports text and images less than 4 MB in size. It will store a maximum of 25 entries with the oldest items disappearing as new ones appear. Also, unless an item is pinned to the clipboard history list will reset every time you restart your computer or device. Let's see how to view and use clipboard history in Windows 10. Let's start. You can open the clipboard history by pressing Windows logo key plus S. But you have more future options on the clipboard settings. Okay. Open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. From the settings menu, select System. On the left pane of your screen, scroll down, then select Clipboard. On the right pane under Clipboard History, turn on your Clipboard History toggle switch to save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Next, at first you will see here Get Start button. If you are already confirmed once on your computer, the button may say Turn On Off rather than Get Start. When if it starts, then you will receive a confirmation code on your email account. Then turn on toggle switch with confirmation code. Then Microsoft receives your clipboard history data to synchronize it across your devices. You can copy images and text from one PC to another with cloud-based clipboard. Not only can you paste from your clipboard history, but you can also pin the items you find yourself using all the time. Next, choose automatically synchronize text that I copy under synchronize across devices. The synchronize feature is tied up your Microsoft account or your work account. So remember to use the same login information on all your devices. Okay. If you need the clipboard history on your phone, click on Get an application to synchronize clipboard item to your phone. Then you will receive the message on your phone. Install this Microsoft Launcher application and sign in to link your phone and PC. Once completed, then you can also view your clipboard history on your phone and paste from it. Okay, that's all. Once complete the settings, you can open your clipboard history at any time by pressing Windows logo key plus V. Okay, let's see how to view your clipboard history in Windows 10. Use your mouse to select the area that you want to copy to the clipboard. Then press Ctrl plus C keys. Okay. Next, open the clipboard history by pressing Windows logo key plus V. Then you will see selected area automatically appeared on the clipboard history. That's it. Next, let's see how to use your clipboard history. Open your document. Select the position on your document where you want to paste. Then open the clipboard history by pressing Windows logo key plus V. Then choose from the clipboard what you want to paste on your document. Even words or images, click on it. Okay. Then you can see here automatically pasted. You are done. That's it. Next, let's see how to pin items in clipboard history. Press the Windows logo key plus V to open the clipboard history. Move the mouse pointer over the desired item's three-dot icon and then click on it. Then select the pin to keep an item even when you clear your clipboard history or restart your PC. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and supporting. I hope this video helped for you. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.